Hello my beautiful people. Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to my new channel, and I am back. So I hope that you guys are happy that I'm finally back, and I hope that you guys are doing well and having fun. And in today's video we're gonna be doing a quick Q&A. Okay, I'm just going to do a basic Q&A because मुझे लगा कि आप लोगों को मेरे बारे में उतना पता नहीं चला इस फर्स्ट वीडियो में. Of course that video wasn't about me. So basically in today's video I'm gonna be answering some basic questions जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा basic है मेरे बारे में. So you guys get to know me better in a better way, okay? And you guys will actually know this time that who Taiba is actually, okay? So let's start our video. Okay, so first of all we're gonna be starting with the basic question, which is my name. So my name is Tayyiba Zahid, and my channel's name is Just Tayyiba because this channel is just about Tayyiba, just about me. Now the $1 million question, which is my age. And I know that everyone wants to know the creator's age to relate with them, more. Yes, so my age is 17. And I know that I do not look like I'm 17, but trust me guys, I am 17 and I'm going to be turning 18 on 24th of September. So be ready for the vlog, okay? Don't miss that. And I think most of you guys know from my intro that I am living in RYK with Mia Khan. And basically I'm not living here for forever, but we have shifted RYK just like 3 months ago. Yeah, we used to live in Karachi for 6 years, and that's where my heart belongs and where all my relatives are. और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा याद करती हूँ कराची को. I miss Karachi a lot because Karachi is a big city, and I think that moving from a big city to a small one, it's not easy because हम लोग को यहाँ पर adjust होने में काफ़ी time लगा. But now we are, I think, settled, alhamdulillah. And and I would say it's more peaceful in here comparing to Karachi, because Karachi is a noisy place. It's a noisy place, yeah. And if you have been to Karachi, or if you are living in Karachi, so you might know that why I'm saying this, okay? Okay, so now about my education. I am currently a student of 10th grade, okay? I do not go to a physical school. My school is online. It's a virtual school. It's called IVS. Okay, it's an international virtual school. Okay, it's for international students. For like overseas Pakistanis, you know, like that. And I'm not an overseas Pakistani, but I still had to consider an online school because of some health issues that I had. Okay, so yeah, let's move to the next question. Okay, so now that you guys know basics about me, let's move to the questions that are apart from these basic things. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so you guys might be thinking that why do I have a handle name as the Ziddi Tayyiba? Well, because I am Ziddi about everything I want and everything I have. So yeah, and about being Ziddi, I'll share a story soon. Very soon, I think. So yeah, be ready for that too. So now let's move to the next question. You guys might want to know that what do I do when I do not do editing, and what are my hobbies. Well, I like to do a lot of things, and that also includes writing and drawing. I love that because that's really because I think मैं ना लिखने के लिए पैदा हुई हूँ, because I just love to write and read and understand. Yeah, some people might not believe me, but believe me and trust me guys, that is actually what I do in my free time. Actually, okay, so now you guys might be thinking that I had a channel with 129k subscribers. So why did I choose to start a whole new channel? And was that difficult? And honestly, starting from zero was difficult for me, of course. You know, thinking about a whole new channel when you had a channel with 199k subs. The channel still exists, and if you want to subscribe to that channel, you can do that. But I do not upload many videos to this channel right now because now I'm gonna do that for this channel. Okay, so I think I'm gonna focus more on this channel now because I need to grow this channel and I need to grow my honest audience. Okay, you guys will help me doing that. Okay, and I hope that you guys like my content and you guys like me, so you can subscribe to my channel and relate to me, and I hope that I can make you guys laugh and relate to me. Okay, and I wish to be relatable with you guys, and I hope that I am relating to you guys and you guys are relating to me. Okay, so yeah, that's the goal and that's my mission for the channel, to make you laugh and showing you the real me. Okay, yeah guys, I just remember that मैंने ये नहीं बताया कि मैं इतने दिनों तक गायब क्यों थी. Well, actually there was a technical issue which we have to resolve. So अब वो resolve हो गया issue, and I know it took so much time, but I filmed a lot of vlogs for you guys during that time period, so you guys can enjoy a whole series of vlogs. Okay, so the vlogs are coming, so just be ready and forgive me for that. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. Okay guys, so now we're all caught up, and in the end I just want to say that do not let your location, your age or your education limit your imagination. Okay, we all dream big and we all have dreams, and if I can start from zero, so can you. Okay, so do not give up, be ziddi, be creative, and do not let anyone judge you for who you are. Okay, and I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.